Good morning.
Good morning.
How do you do?
How do you do too?
My name is Said. And you?
My name is Reza.
How do you spell your name?
The spelling is Reyza.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jakarta.
Where do you live?
I live in Jakarta Utara.
It is nice to know you.
Me too.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How do you do?
How do you do too?
My name is Said. And you?
My name is Reza.
How do you spell your name?
The spelling is Reyza.
How are you doing?
I'm pretty well, thanks.
Where do you come from?
I come from Jakarta.
Where do you live?
I live in Jakarta Utara.
With who do you live?
I live with parents.
It is nice to meet you.
So am I.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How do you do?
How do you do too?
My name is Said. And what is your name?
My name is Reza.
How do you spell your name?
The spelling is Reyza.
How life?
Not so bad, thanks.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is basketball
Why do you like that hobby?
because it is interesting.
Can you read from I to Z?
Sure, I can A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
It is nice to see you. Good morning.
Good morning.
How do you do?
How do you do too?
My name is Said. And you?
My name is Reza.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Where are you from?
I am from Jakarta.
Where do you live?
I live in Jakarta Utara.
What do you do?
I am a student from Unsika.
How old are you?
I am nine, uh, 19 years old.
By the way, what day it is today?
It is Tuesday.
What day? What is yesterday?
It is Monday.
What day? What is before yesterday?
It is Sunday.
What day is it tomorrow?
It is Wednesday.
What day is it after tomorrow?
It is Friday.
Can you mention name of day?
Yes, sure. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
It is nice to meet you.
Me too.
Good day.
Good day.
How do you do?
How do you do too?
My name is Said and you?
My name is Reza.
How have you been?
Not so bad, thanks.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jakarta.
Where do you live?
I live in Jakarta Utara.
What do you do?
I am a student from Unsika.
How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
By the way, when is it now?
It is April.
What month was it last month?
It was March.
What month? What is 2 months ago?
It is February.
What month is it next month?
It is May.
What month is it 2 months later?
It is June.
Can you mention name of month?
Yes, I can. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
It is nice to meet you.
Me too.
Excuse me, what time is it now?
It is It is 10:30.
What time do you get up every morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you take a bath?
I take a bath at 6:20.
What time do you eat breakfast?
I ate breakfast at 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to campus at 7:30.
What time do you eat lunch?
I ate lunch at 13 o'clock.
What time do you go home?
I go home at 11 o'clock.
What time do you eat dinner?
I ate dinner at 20 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 20 o'clock. 22 o'clock.
Can you mention cardinal number from 1 to 60?
Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 19, 11, 18, 19, 20, 22, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 39, 36, 30, 11, 38, 39, 40, 14, 41, 42, 43, 45, 40, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 16, 60.
It is a pleasure to see you.
So I am.
Excuse me, what date is it today?
It is 70.
What date is it tomorrow?
It is 18.
What date after tomorrow?
It is 19.
What date was it yesterday?
It was 16.
What date was it before yesterday?
It was 15.
When were you born?
I was born on 21st.
When was independence of Indonesia proclaimed?
I was on 17.
Can you mention ordinal number from first to 31st?
Yes, sir. First, second, 30, 40, 50, 60, 17, 18, 19, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12, 30, 14, 19, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21st, 22nd, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31st.
Nice to meet you.
So I am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How do you do?
How do you do too?
What is your name?
My name is Reza.
How do you spell your name?
And the spelling is Reyza.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jakarta.
Where do you live?
I live in Jakarta Utara.
How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
When were you born?
I born on 21.
Where were you born?
I born in Jakarta.
What do you do?
I am a student from Unsika.
Where is your college?
My campus is Karawang, in Karawang.
What major do you take?
I am physical education.
What grade are you in?
I am to C grade.
How do you go to campus?
I go by motorcycle. I go on foot.
Are you happy to study there?
Yes, of course,
Why?
because I need a friend.
What is your idea?
I wish a teacher.
How many course do you study?
My study about 10 lesson.
What subject do you like?
I like athletic lesson
Why do you like it?
because it's easy.
What subject do you not like?
I don't like volley lesson
Why not?
because it's difficult.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I am one brother and 3 sisters.
By the way, what is your hobby?
My hobby is basketball
What? Why do you like it?
because pleasure.
Why do you do in your free time?
I exercise.
Anyway, do you like English?
Yes, I do.
What is your motivation to study English?
My motivation is my parents.
What is your main problem in English?
I think my problem in English, memories, sentences.
What do you expect after learning English?
I wish I could.
Excuse me, I have to go now.
Okay, it is nice to meet you.
So am I. So long.
So long.